Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to combine photo together on iPhone. So simply you just make any combined photo or video, so I'm provide full guide. So simply go to your app library, find here your shortcut apps, just open your shortcut apps, click on to plus option and you just rename to combine photo. Press on right mark and you get search option, search it to select photo option. Just make sure to add and press on to add option. Okay, just select multiple or press on all. So as you can see, you just select image, live photo or video, press on right mark. Okay, you just select multiple, that's mean 2 3 4 maximum 10 images. Go to search option, again press on and you just search here to combine image. Just select, click on this arrow option. Okay, and you just need to add save option. Go to search option again to save photo and just select photo gallery location. If you want to select file, like recommend, you just select save to photo. Okay, overall setup, go back. Okay, now successfully add this, press on and you just select any photo, video, live photo and press on to right mark. Okay, now successfully save in my gallery. So now I'm checking my gallery. So as you can see, now successfully save this. So that's it.